Hey folks, want to cook your favorite meals without worrying about harmful chemicals? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 5 best non-toxic electric skillets available right now. No Teflon, no PFAS, no PFOA, just safe, eco-friendly cooking, the way it should be. Stick around because I'll not only review each product but also help you decide which one fits your lifestyle best. First up, the BELLA Healthy Eco Electric Skillet. This skillet features a unique ceramic and titanium-infused non-stick coating, completely free of toxic chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, and lead. It heats up fast, cooks evenly, and the surface is so non-stick that you hardly need oil or butter. Plus, it's fully immersible, making cleanup hassle-free. If you want a stylish, compact, and truly healthy option, BELLA nails it. Pros eco-friendly ceramic coating, fully submersible for easy cleaning, fast heating with 1200 watts, cool touch handles for safety. Check link in the description. Coming in at number 2, we have the GreenLife Healthy Ceramic Skillet. Known for their eco-friendly cookware, GreenLife brings that same quality to this electric model. It features a Thermalon ceramic non-stick coating that's completely free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. What's even better? The removable probe lets you pop the skillet straight into the dishwasher for a deeper clean. If you care about sustainability and easy maintenance, this one's a winner. PRO's removable temperature probe, dishwasher safe, PFAS and PFOA-free, even heating ceramic base. Check link in the description. At number 3, we have the brand new Blue Diamond Non-Toxic Electric Skillet. Blue Diamond is famous for their tough, diamond-infused ceramic coatings, 5 times harder and 10 times longer lasting than traditional non-stick. It's completely free of toxins like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Plus, the adjustable temperature control lets you fine-tune cooking from low simmer to high sear. Perfect for everything from pancakes to stir-fry. PRO's diamond-infused ceramic coating, extra durable and scratch-resistant. Non-toxic, toxin-free design, precision temperature control. Check link in the description. For those who need a bit more room, check out the Elite Gourmet EG 6203. With a huge 8.5 quart capacity, this skillet can handle family-sized meals with ease. Its non-stick, PFOA-free surface ensures healthy cooking without worrying about toxins. And with adjustable temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it's versatile enough for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. PRO's massive cooking surface, adjustable temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher-safe parts, cool touch handles and glass lid. Check link in the description. Last but definitely not least, the Presto Foldaway electric skillet. This one's perfect for small kitchens thanks to its foldable handles and compact storage design. The heavy-duty cast aluminum base offers even heating, while the ceramic non-stick cooking surface remains toxin-free. It's incredibly versatile. From roasting to baking to deep frying, it handles it all. PRO's foldaway handles for compact storage, 16-inch spacious design, ceramic non-toxic, non-stick surface, built-in spout for easy pouring. Check link in the description. Choosing the right non-toxic electric skillet means healthier cooking, easier cleanup, and better tasting meals. Whether you want compact convenience or family-sized performance, there's a safe, eco-friendly skillet waiting for you. All the links are in the description below. Check them out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest reviews, and comment below. Which skillet will you choose for your kitchen?